Alright guys, I'm not supposed to do this on duty. We got a cop, DPS. A couple of girls pulled over here. I'm at the Loves. We had 3 cars here just a while ago. He had him pulled over when I pulled in. Looks like they're questioning them separately. Had her sitting on the ground a while ago, but I think she said it was hot, so he's allowing her to stand up. I'm over here in Quartzsite. Standing in the shade. They pulled them over as they got off the highway right in front of me, and I pulled in here to get weighed. That's funny, because the boss will be watching this. He's subscribed to my channel. I know the manager here really well, so if they was to say anything, now he's got her sitting on the curb, so they're gonna be here a while. They're running the VIN number and everything on the vehicle. Might be a stolen vehicle. I'm parked out there on a fuel island, so I can't stay here too long. Keeping them separated. I got one looking at me. Loves don't like vehicles sleeping out here in the parking lot. I don't know why, because trucks sleep out here. But there was just one unit, and now there's 3. Got 2 here, and 1 parked over there. Questioning them separately. But guys, I gotta go. I gotta get over here and get this truck loaded. Spitting Cobra Cop Watch over here. Quartzsite.